Hello, my name is Crystal. I'm an expert as a service consultant, and in this video, I will talk about the Legacy Export option. This is part of the QRC2 of 2023. The Legacy Export option allows users to export data to different applications such as S4HANA, BW, and other applications. If you want to enable this option, first you must go to your model. As you can see, I'm already inside one of my models, and then go to the toolbar and select Model Preferences. Then go to Data and Performance, scroll down, and under Maintenance, you will see the Legacy Export option. I will enable this option and I will click OK. I will save my changes, and now I will switch to the data management. Under Export Jobs, you can select Export Data, and here you can see all the available options to export the data. Select any of these options if you want to export the data to any specific application. Now let's review what we discussed in this video. Now the Export Legacy option is available to allow users to export data to other applications such as S4HANA, BW, and others. Thank you very much for watching this video.